Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Marcia with Mom Needs a Clone. So I'm gonna do a quick, try to do 2-minute video because I only got 2 things in here. I wanted to share my Hobonichi haul with you guys for 2024. So apparently this has just been sitting in the front of the house and I had no clue it was here until my husband was like, you know, it's a box out there. So here we go. So they gave me the 2 free pins. I'm not quite sure what that is. I'll have to open that. So here is the pin up close. Oops, it still got the sticky on it. Oh my goodness, what is happening? There we go. Let's see, there we go. So it's got the black, the blue, and the red, and it's got the little clip. So there's the pins, and then I believe this is like a little baggie. Oh, I wanted the pretzel one actually. I thought it was cute. So this bag is super duper tiny. And I'm not sure how you get the bag. I don't know if it's you have to buy a certain product in order to get the bag. There you go. Let's see. Sorry, I'm sitting on the couch. So yeah, the pin is standing up in it, so it's not even as tall as the pin. So, and then the length, the pin is even like longer than the bag. So that's how tiny it is. All right, let's get to the goods. I think that is, yep, just paper. Alrighty, here we go. So I got the weeks in the English version, I believe. And then I got the A6 Hone, or Han, I'm not quite sure how you say it, with the pretty like flowers on the front. So I'll get these open and show you guys. All right, so for the weeks, I believe I got the, I think it's called Gingham. And it has 2024, looks like in silver. Hobonichi on the back. So that's the texture of it, or the design, I should say. Got the little sticker here, or the little pocket, and then the bookmarks somewhere hiding in there. So that's that. That's the weeks, and it comes with this. All right, pretty cool. And then we have this. So the A6 I've used, this will be my 3rd year using it for 2024. The first year I did the one where it's split into 2. I think it's the Avec. And then this year I did this one. So just the one in a full year. So that's that. And then here is my weeks that I got, like in that coffee tan color. So yeah, there we go. And then what else? It comes with the same little book, and then I guess like a pen holder. Yeah, it looks like a pen holder, and like a pencil board. So there's that. All right, so I got that open just so you can kind of see. And then you just hook the little pin part, the pin hook, this little thing in there. So that's that. So I'm excited about this because it is like a hardcover. Yeah, I don't know why the lighting's bad. So there's the inside. And it's pretty much set up like the regular Hobonichi A6. I guess this is the new Tomoe River paper. So there's that, and then there are the days. And this is the Japanese version. The English version, I think, comes out November 1, something like that. Sometime in November. It doesn't bother me if it's Japanese or English, so. Yep, so I got that. Let me see. So this, it should be the same size. This one seems, actually, this one is a little bit bigger. Let me take this out of here. Of course, I said this is going to be a 2-minute video. It's literally not. So, yeah, I'd say it's a tad bit bigger. Let me take that out of there. So, with the cover on, the cover is making it look bigger. But, like, when you look at the book, they are the same size. It's just the cover is up a little bit higher. So, yeah. And then this has, like, just the gray on the inside. But it still has, like, all the front part. Whereas this has the HON repeated on its cover. And of course this one's softer and this one's more sturdy. So yep, so I just pretty much replaced what I'm currently using for 2023 weeks in A6 with another weeks in A6. So pretty simple. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I thought I'd do a quick video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.